So today we're going to make these beautiful checkered Christmas cookies, vanilla and chocolate flavored. Hi everyone, and welcome to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. Well, now that the Christmas season is just around the corner, you're going to see loads and loads of Christmas recipes coming up on my channel. So go and check them out. I will leave a link of all my recipes that I've put up for the past 2 years, for the past 2 Christmases. You'll find all the links in my description box below. So this year I might repeat some of them, or I might come up with some new recipes. Most of my recipes are handed down to me by my mom in her Christmas recipe book. Some of them are new recipes, some are my own recipes, some are friends' recipes, and some are just recipes that I've just experimented with and they've really turned out good. Let's get started with today's recipe. So in a large bowl, I've taken 200 grams of butter at room temperature, and using a whisk, we're just going to beat it till it's nice and light. You can use a hand whisk too. Now to this, I'm going to be adding about 150 grams of powdered sugar. I've just taken regular sugar and just powdered it in my blender or mixer, and I've added that to the butter. Now we're going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence or extract, and we're going to whisk everything well. And we're going to mix the butter and the sugar and the vanilla very well, because we want these lovely light cookies. Now here I have 300 grams of regular flour MAIDA, to which I'm going to be adding about 100 grams of corn flour. We're going to mix these two flours well together. Now we're going to continue whisking our butter, sugar and vanilla essence mixture till it's nice and light and airy. It becomes more of a whitish mixture, and then we're going to add a little bit of the flour at a time and continue mixing everything well. Now once we've mixed the dough well, we're going to divide it into 2 equal halves, and to one of the halves we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, which is unsweetened cocoa powder. We're going to mix everything well together till the entire mixture becomes a nice brown color. We don't want any specks of white in it. We're going to knead it a little bit so it becomes nice and smooth and easy to work with. And we're going to do the same thing with the plain colored dough or the white colored dough. Just knead it, and this dough is very, very easy to work with. Now we're going to use a very flat, clean and dry surface. We're going to use half of the chocolate colored mixture, and we're going to roll it till it resembles a kind of a sausage. And we're going to do the same with the white colored dough. And then we're just going to put them together. Here is a closer look. So similarly, we're going to do the same process with the remaining dough, but now we're going to place the chocolate colored dough on the plain dough and vice versa. Again, here is a closer look of how to place the doughs. Now we're going to place this onto a baking paper or a butter paper, and we're just going to smoothen everything out so that it is nicely shaped, and ensure that the two chocolate parts meet at the center, and similarly with the white. Now we're just going to wrap this up nice and tight, and we're going to put it into our refrigerator, not in the freezer, but in the normal refrigerator section. And we're just going to chill it for about an hour. Now, after waiting for an hour, everything has come well together. And now it's very easy for us to cut this dough into even-sized cookie slices. I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. I've lined a baking tray with some baking paper, and we're just going to place the cookies a little apart from each other, because when they bake, they do spread out a bit. So ensure that there's some space between each of the cookies. Don't they look really pretty? So just cut them into even-sized pieces. Now, if you want to get real precision, you can even use a ruler and just cut them into inch-size pieces. And then we're just going to put them into our oven, and we're going to bake them for 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Now, every oven is different, so just keep an eye. Don't let your cookies burn. So just keep an eye. Sometimes it takes about 8 minutes or 10 minutes at the most. Now, once your cookies are baked, just take them out of the oven and let them cool to room temperature. So just keep them outside for about 10 minutes so that they completely come to room temperature. And you can after that put them onto a wire rack, or even if you don't have a wire rack, just put them onto a glass plate or a steel plate and let them completely come to room temperature. The reason being that if you try to pick them up when they're warm, they might just crumble. So let them come, completely cool to room temperature. And there you have it. Our lovely checkered Christmas cookies are all ready. They're going to look so pretty and so beautiful on your Christmas tray. So I hope you try this out this Christmas, and do let me know in the comments box below as to how you like them. Send me pics on my Facebook or my Insta.
Loads of
I would love
recipes
to
on
see
my channel.
these pictures.
So go and check them out. I will leave a link of all my recipes that I've put up for the past 2 years, for the past 2 Christmases. You'll find all the links in my description box below. So I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and I hope you will give it a try. Do let me know in the comments box below what you thought of today's recipe. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by hitting the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Do share my recipes with family and friends, and be sure to go and check out Akshata's recipes. I have loads and loads of recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Take care. Bye.
Sing glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful all we nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. With angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Hail the heaven-born Prince of Peace, hail the Son